So these were the 3 things that literally took me from sleeping in my car to earning over $100,000 a month at the age of 24. Let's hop into it.
Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's your girl Daniella, and today I have a very special video with my boy DeAndre Saxton, aka Mr. Miami Patron. We actually met close to 2 years ago when he was broke, sleeping in his car at 10x, and now he's clearing over multiple 6 figures a month, and we just have to share this information with you guys. So introducing you guys, Mr. DeAndre, aka Mr. Miami Patron. Come on in.
What's going on, guys? It's your man DeAndre Saxton, aka Miami Patron. You can find me on Instagram right here, guys. I'm excited to be here with my girl Daniella. We actually go back a couple years, and it's funny, what she didn't mention was I was sleeping in my car at the 10x con back in, I think it was 2018 or 2019. But nobody would have known I was sleeping in my car during that time. And when I met my mentor Bob Proctor at the beginning of this year, my life literally changed overnight. And so, I mean, it's good to be here. It's good to be on her channel. What's up, guys?
Welcome.
Definitely. So, guys, what I'm talking about in this video is this. What are the millionaire mindset hacks that turned me into a 24-year-old millionaire? But most importantly, how did I go from driving for Lyft, delivering Amazon packages, sleeping on my grandparents' couch, 2 credit cards in collections, 5 to 6 failed businesses, no direction, just not knowing what the hell was going on, just at the beginning of this year, 11 months ago, to literally within 45 days of meeting my mentor, earning 6 figures a month and becoming a 24-year-old millionaire? What was the biggest difference that happened? And I'm gonna show you the 3 secrets that I learned this year that made the big shift. Now I feel like Daniella's like right in the camera, so we're gonna back her up just a little bit right here. All right, guys, so the first thing that really changed my life was I got a mentor. That's gonna be number 1. Find yourself a mentor. You see, because for 5 to 6 years I failed in business. I tried everything from Shopify, drop shipping, Amazon FBA, social media marketing, everything that Ty Lopez was selling. I bought it and I was trying to be successful at it. Now granted, I did make a little bit of money, but here was the problems. I didn't have the right mindset, right? I thought it was work ethic. I thought I had to get more names and numbers, do more sales calls, put in more effort. I had all the books, I was going to seminars, all these different things, but I wasn't getting the results. Now, some of you might be relating to this, whether you're in network marketing, whether you're in Forex right now, it doesn't matter. You could be putting in the effort, putting in the time, watching YouTube videos, and not getting the results. Why is that happening? Have you ever wondered about that? Here's what's going on. Is you don't have the right mindset, and that's why I wanted to talk about the millionaire mindset hack. So the number 1 is find yourself a mentor. My mentor, just to let you guys know, is Bob Proctor. I am a Bob Proctor Consultant. How is it that I earn 6 figures a month? Is I literally take entrepreneurs and I reprogram their mindset. I reprogram their subconscious mind to turn their annual income into their monthly income. I'm talking about a quantum leap. Let's just say right now you're earning $30,000 a year, $50,000 a year, 6 figures a year, and we're gonna reprogram your mind to get you to 6 figures a month, $30,000 a month, $20,000 a month, literally by the same knowledge you have now, simply understanding these millionaire mindset hacks. And I do this with the help of my mentor, Bob Proctor. You may have seen him in The Secret. So the first thing you need to do is get a mentor. When I got a mentor, he gave me guidance, he gave me direction. He said, DeAndre, if you study these principles about the mindset and the psychology of how money works and how the universe works, you'll literally attract money. Money will begin to flow into your account in such abundance, you will wonder where it was during your entire life. And let me tell you, in a matter of 45 days, I earned more in 45 days that I had earned my entire life as an adult at 24 years old. What happened was I got the guidance from a mentor. So that'd be number 1 that really had a big shift in my life. The second thing I would have to say is understanding your habits. Understanding something called your paradigm. Now, you may or may not have heard of a paradigm. Now, I'm just gonna assume that you guys have not heard of this. Because guess what? When I was 23 years old, just a couple months ago, about a year ago, I didn't know what a paradigm was. But here's what a paradigm is, family. A paradigm? What was that?
Lay it down, lay it down.
So there's too much heat right now. Make sure you subscribe below. Yes. Give her a little, hit that little like button for this heat right here. So check this out. A paradigm is a multitude of your habits. Think of it as your mental conditioning or your mental programming. So right now, in your mind, in your subconscious mind, you have these habits and these ideas about yourself that really control your self-worth. They control your habits. They control how you walk, how you talk, how you see yourself, what time you wake up. They control your efforts. You see, what's really controlling how much money you're making in business is not how much time or effort you're putting in, it's how you see yourself. You see, Daniela, one of the things I tell my clients is this: people don't have business problems. They have personal problems that reflect in their business.
True, 100%.
So what I do, and you've seen this because we've been working together now for some time, is I build successful people, and in return, they build successful businesses. You're not having money problems. You're not having business problems. You're not having team problems. You're not having recruiting problems. You're not having trading problems. I've been talking to this guy today, I have done a couple calls with him, and he's doing pretty well for himself, about $300,000 a year. He's up in New York, and he's a barber, has a couple barber shops. And he's like, DeAndre, I wanna go from $300,000 a year to $300,000 a month. I'm like, bro, I got you, but here's the things we need to do. We need to reprogram your mind. We gotta change the way you see yourself. You see, man, because your actions that you have right now, your habits that you have right now, the ideas of how you have yourself right now have gotten you to where you're at $300,000 a year. So if we want to get you to $300,000 a month, we have to change your habits. We have to change how you see yourself. We have to change your personal performance. And that causes a shift in your mindset, a shift in your identity. And for some reason with this gentleman, I'm not gonna lie, it wasn't resonating with him because this is a different language I'm speaking here. You see, for some of you, you've never heard of anything I'm sharing with you right now. But let me tell you, if you master this, it will change your life overnight like it did for me. So you're not having these business problems, you're having paradigm problems. You're having image problems. You're having problems with how you see yourself. Does that make sense, Daniela?
100%.
So I mean,
yes.
kind of like you've been working with us, working with me now for the last couple almost months now, a couple months now, right?
Months, yeah.
So what are the shifts, before I go into number 3 right here, what was like kind of the shifts that you've seen when I kind of introduced this to you and your business?
Definitely having to think bigger of myself as an individual so that I can reflect into my business. Like DeAndre was saying, everything starts in the mental, right? It's not in your business, not working harder or thinking you have to do more. You have to do more within yourself first so that then it can reflect into your business, your trading. And you guys know, my traders that are watching this, trading is like 90% mindset, and that is something that you have to have under control. You have to have your mindset under control. And once you have your mindset under control and you have the skill set of trading and you combine them, then your results are going to, be way better than, what they probably are. If you don't have your mindset right when it comes to trading, then you probably won't go too far. So mindset is definitely a huge key, and it's definitely helped me with my trading. Just focus on my mental first, and then it reflects in my trading.
Definitely. So we broke it down right now, the 3 things that really turned, the things I call it the millionaire mindset hacks. So we did the first 2. Let me get to the number 3. That's actually a lot here, but I'm gonna keep it simple for you guys. So if you wanna know more about this stuff, in the link in the description below, you're gonna see my channel where you guys can go over to my channel, and I teach a lot about this. So let's just hop into the 3rd basic one, which is this. I highly recommend you guys begin to study. I highly recommend you guys invest more in yourself, time and money wise, more than you do in your business. You see, Jim Rohn said this: spend more time working on yourself than you do on your job. Spend more time working on yourself than you do on your business. You see, especially a lot of us entrepreneurs, we think that it's effort that really is gonna get us to the next level. But what's happening is we're hitting a brick wall in our production. We're hitting a brick wall. I feel like there's something holding back. You make a little bit of progress and you go backwards. You build your team to a certain level and then you go backwards. You make a little bit of money and then it goes backwards. You lose a little bit of weight and it goes backwards. Why is this? Or maybe you're stuck at a certain level. Maybe you're stuck at $10,000 a month or $20,000 a month or $2,000 a month. You're stuck. You see, it's not the progression and the vision that's holding you back. It's the unseen habits, the unseen paradigms, the unseen self-degrading images and feelings that you have is actually that's controlling your results right now. So when you begin to study every single day, and what is it that you're studying? You're studying yourself. You're studying your psychology. You're studying why is it that you do what you do, and how to change and implement the person you want to become. You're studying that, number one. The second thing you're gonna be studying is the laws of the universe. How does the law of attraction work? How is it when I put out an idea? How is it when I write a goal card? How is it when I script out how I want my life to look? When I begin to act, talk, walk, and become the person that has what I want. You see, before you ever touch the Lamborghini, you have to become a person that's worthy of a Lamborghini. Before you earn the $100,000 a month, you have to act, talk, walk, dress, and become that person.
Yes, something that I want to mention that resonates, stuck with me since I got into this whole entrepreneurship. The millionaire comes before the millions. You already have to believe you are a millionaire before you get to the millions.
Exactly, you gotta become that person. And now what I'm saying with you is not, and by the way, this YouTube video is not gonna change your life, but what it is gonna do is gonna bring awareness to you. You see, this is an example of study right now. There's multiple ways of study, but see, I study at least an hour a day for the last 11 months. And because of that, I've become a different person. I've changed, not only on the outside, I've changed from the inside. In response, my outside world begins to change. My income changes, my relationship changes, my health changes, my relationship changes. Everything around me begins to change in response to me changing. That can only come about when you begin to study, read books, get a mentor, you know, even work with myself, right? This is literally what we do. Is I have a 6-month program where I guide these entrepreneurs and turn their yearly income into their monthly income, literally by harnessing the power that lives within them. So those are 3 steps that really took me from sleeping on the couch to a 24-year-old millionaire within a few months. Daniella.
Well, if he can do it, you can do it. It's just a matter of changing your mindset and your overall perspective of self. Right? Like I said, the millionaire comes before the millions. It all starts with self-image and belief in yourself, right? Some of you guys already stop yourself from seeing success because that image of not succeeding is where you're at. So definitely having a coach like DeAndre by your side, you know, helping you, you know, just change your overall image for yourself, you know, it can definitely help you out. So, yeah.
Definitely. Yeah, guys, if you want to learn more about me, my Instagram is @MiamiPatron. You can see it right here, boom. Or you can check out the link in the description below where you guys can go to my channel where I'll be putting out more content like this. We'll actually be doing more videos, so make sure you stay tuned on her channel. Hit the subscribe button because I'm going to be coming on her channel as well, adding more value right over here.
For sure. Thank you so much, DeAndre, for coming on my channel. If you guys like this video, don't forget to leave a huge thumbs up and like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.
Let's do it. See you guys later.